stuck here. The cops won't bother me. I have removed the brake lever, and the brake lever on the Shadow is actually crooked. It makes it very difficult to grab the front brake. So it kind of sits over here. But I found an old brake for my Vstrom here. There is an issue. You see this little depression here if I hold both of these up? So the one on the right is the Shadow brake lever, and you notice there's like, it's flat here, and on this one it actually is flat and then it dips down. So that makes it, I can't actuate the brake lever or the rear tail. So I'm trying to figure out a way to add a little bit to that, and I was thinking about drilling a hole really quick. So now I got a tiny little hole through there. Alrighty, so here it is. There is the hole in that brake lever that it might break. I'm going to put this nut on here, that way it bolts it down. So let me put this bolt. It's quite an interesting little contraption here. So that thing is just hitting it, as you can see. So that's perfect. Right, I cut that bolt off, and now it's a lot cleaner. You know, it's not perfect, but it gives it character. Rechecking it, it works pretty well. Front brake on there. I actually had to do a few changes because I had to grind this little piece, because when I was moving the bike, I noticed there was a lot of resistance, and it was basically that that piece of metal was actuating the brake lever just slightly. So now it's got a little play, and that's what you want.